Alright guys, we are here in Parker's truck, which just got tuned at Pickle Performance by Rob Shoemaker. So we're gonna go out and take a little rip in it, see how it does. Honestly, it already sounds freaking awesome and it rides great. So see what this thing can do on the street. That gets it.
Just a little rip. We'll do another one over here on our little track.
Woo! That was awesome.
That was just a little two-wheel drive roll.
Alright guys, that was a two-wheel drive rip, which I'm pretty sure it probably was spinning the tires almost that entire way.
Finishing just a little bit.
But it still pulled like a freight train, so that thing was awesome.
And that's in two-wheel drive. Like, it had really good control in two-wheel drive.
Yeah.
The suspension and the tires.
Yeah, no, it felt solid. It did not feel sketchy, so.
Like it was dancing a hair, but not too bad. Go for.
Alright guys, we're gonna do a full drive hit. See what this thing will do.
Give ourselves some running room.
Yep. Woo!
Fucking nasty.
That was fucking awesome. So that's a 1,000 horsepower twin turbo truck, tuned by Rob Shoemaker, built by JFab Performance. Fucking awesome. Gets it.
You felt there was no dancing on that.
That was straight as an arrow. That was so awesome.
Straight, let's get it. You know it's good when you get the giggles afterwards, you know?
That was fun. Holy crap. All right, guys, so we just took a ride in Parker's F150. So that's a twin turbo truck that JFab did a little while ago. Intercooled, interchiller, running ID, I think 1300s, small little fuel system, and it's running on E. And that thing put down right at, I think it was like 9 and some change, so right about 1,000 horsepower. So that is a badass build. That thing is fun. And so we're gonna go and head on over to Pickle's place to drop my truck off to get tuned. Once that gets done, once the tuning starts, we'll run over there and we'll film the entire thing. But that's where we're at right now. So that thing was freaking awesome. We'll be back in a little bit. All right, guys, so we are headed over to Pickle Performance to drop off my truck, and then Jay is also dropping off a customer truck. That's a turbo truck. So we're dropping off these trucks today. Hopefully they will be tuned, I think maybe tomorrow. So we'll be back over there to record the tuning and it on the dyno, hopefully tomorrow. So hopefully with my truck, we're gonna be reloading the base file, which I have. From what I hear, he has successfully done this already, so we should be good to go. So we're gonna see what it'll put down as it sits right now. So the 3.5 pulley is on there. Stock injectors are in here. We got the boost pump headers, ported supercharger, can't remember, interchiller. Hopefully all that stuff will do well, but we're still rocking the 55-pound injectors, so I'm thinking that we're gonna have to upgrade the injectors. We're gonna run this on 93, so we're not gonna be putting any E in it. It's not it's not what I want to do. I do not want to have to search out E. I think from what I understand is either you run E or you run 93. I might be wrong on this. This is just what I've heard. But I'll talk to them when we get there. If they're able to do a flex fuel tune, then that's what I'll have them do, so we can run a mixture of 93 or E. So on our way right now, we got 2 trucks in front of us. So we'll be dropping this off with Josh, and then Rob will be tuning both of these trucks here in the next couple of days. And we will bring you the dyno tune and final numbers once we get done. So hopefully we will see tomorrow. All right, guys, welcome back to day number 2 of tuning my truck. So we're here at Pickle Performance, about to head down to the dyno to do the actual dyno tune. So Rob and Josh have already done the drivability tune, so that's already been done and flushed out. So that's we're good to go on that portion of it. So now we're going to walk on down to the dyno so we can throw the truck on the dyno and see what she makes and do some balls out pull. So see what she tops out at. All right, guys, we are heading down to the dyno here with Josh Pickle. So we're going to go ahead and throw this truck onto the dyno, do a couple balls out pulls, see what this thing will put down. All right, guys, so they're gonna get this thing strapped down and then we're gonna start making some pulls with Josh here in the seat.
What's up, guys?
And then Rob on the other end of the computer, and we'll see what this thing puts down.
Did you already roll it?
Nah, the brake didn't come out. Should be off right now.
Should be off.
Oh, wait.
There you go.
Oh, is it somewhere? All right, we're good. The next one you got here.
Record from the back.
That's each. $680. Not bad for the first one. $680. That was good. I like it.
I like that.
That sounded fucking rowdy.
I'm telling you, man. Not only is it making a lot more power, the drivability, the shifting, like
That was my biggest issue was that. Yes. Awesome.
I mean, there's really, like, this is a finished file that we had in the
Oh, really?
yeah, I already did all the data logging, all the tuning in the street.
Okay.
And yeah, this is basically just to get powered up and see where it's at.
Okay.
So, I would say, I mean,
I kind of want to move that strap away from the exhaust.
I think this is going to be the only
Is that what?
Let me look at the log real quick.
Okay.
I I know everything is fine.
Okay. All right, guys, so that was it. So we did the one pull on the dyno. That was all it really needed. They did the tuning, the drivability tuning. They pretty much had it down. So trans tuning was already done before I got here, and basically all the rest of the tuning was done. They basically just did it on the dyno just to make sure everything was copacetic. So here's what we're looking at. All tuned up, so trans tuned, ECU tuned, put down 680 and 547, so I am super happy with that. They took out all the other bullshit in there that Ford put in there, so no start-stop function, no speed limiter, no nothing. So we should be good to go. I'm happy with what this thing put down. So it's right around the 700 horsepower mark, which is kind of what I wanted. For the street, I think that is perfect. So that's going to do it for today's video. If you would, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like and notification bell, and share this out to everyone you know. Until next time, check you later.